Today, our target, how can determine x? Look here very carefully. First of all, I know that if you redraw this a circle, okay, if you redraw the circle like that one, very simple way, okay, and this one is a diameter of the circle, and now this one is also diameter of the circle, and you can assume this one is 24 centimeter. Now this one is a perpendicular, okay, and after that if you redraw, okay, so like that one, this one is this one is 90 degree, okay. I know that if any circle like that one, okay, and if this one is a diameter, make the angle, and this angle always 90 degree. Clear? I hope so understand what I'm saying. After that, look here very carefully. If you draw another way, look here very carefully, and that one is x, and this one is 24 centimeter is given, and here 7 centimeter also given. So what about that length? That length is basically you apply Pythagoras theorem, here a, here b, and here c. So AC square, this will equal to AB square plus BC square. So 24 square plus 7 square is how much? Finally, what about that value? Simply we got 25 square. Okay, so basically AC is 25. I hope so understand. So you can write now here, this one is 25 centimeter. Okay, now if you look here very carefully, this part making like that one, okay, I hope so understand. And this one is also 90 degree. Clear? Okay, so these two are A, B, C and A, C, D. These two are similar triangle. Okay, now this one is 25, so what about that one? 25 centimeter. Okay, so what about AC? Again you can apply Pythagoras theorem. Here A, B, C in triangle ABC, sorry, ABP, that name is P because C is already taken here. That point is C. So APC, in triangle APC, you can say that AP square, this is equal to AB square plus BP square. AB is how much? 24 square plus AP is basically 25 plus 7. So 25 plus 7 is 32 square. Okay, so what about AP? AP is, you can say that under root of 24 square plus 32 to the whole square. So we got under root 400. So AP is basically how much? 20 centimeter. Okay, so sorry, AP, silly mistake here, not 400, basically this one is 1600. Okay, this one is basically 1600. So that is 40 centimeter. AP is 40 centimeter. So what about that value? 20, radius of the circle is 20 centimeter, this one, and this one is also 20 centimeter. I also understand. Now, but our target, what about x? So simply again apply Pythagoras theorem. Why? Because this one is a 90 degree. So x square, this is equal to 25 to the whole square minus 20 square. So 20 25 plus 20 into 25 minus 20 is how much? 25 minus 20. So finally 45 into 25, and this is 5. So 9. Okay, 9 into 25 written. So what about x? This is 15 centimeter. So x this equal to 15 centimeter is the right answer. Okay, if anyone face any doubt, then comment it, I will discuss again. Okay, final answer is how much? 15 centimeter. Make it.